Hello students, how are you? Today is the last day of this week, so today is Friday. And the weather? How's the weather today? Today is the third class in this Phonics week. ¿Sí? ¿Se acuerdan que durante toda esta semana íbamos a estar trabajando los sonidos en inglés? On Monday, we learned the sound R and the. On Wednesday, we blend all the sounds. We worked with the sounds k, 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 e, R, the. We mixed all the sounds and we worked with all the sounds together. In this class, we are going to learn new sounds. Pay attention to these words.
Big, young.
Pay attention to these phrases.
It is big.
Pay attention in this sound. Big, big. And now pay attention to this word. Gorilla, gorilla. ¿Cuál es el sonido que está en un color diferente? This one, the G sound. G. Yes? Repeat. G. G. Now let's practice with these words.
Glue, garden, game.
Also, we are going to learn a new sound today. Pay attention to these words. Dog, hot, frog, hot. ¿Qué sonido comparten estas palabras? This sound, the sound O. Repeat, the sound O. O. Repeat, dog, hot, frog, hot. Ahora vamos a ver qué significan estas palabras. En la mayoría de los casos, el sonido O aparece entre medio de las palabras. Por ejemplo, esta palabra, dog. How many sounds are here? 1, 2, 3. D, O, G. Look at these sounds. O, G. These sounds are the sounds we are learning today. And this one, D, is the sound we learned on Monday. So all of these sounds are new sounds. Entonces, vamos a tratar de unir estos sonidos para formar una palabra. D, O, G. D, O, G. Dog. 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 ¿Vieron? Así se forman las palabras en inglés, uniendo cada sonido. Como vieron en las palabras anteriores, el sonido O is in the middle. Yes, está al medio de la palabra. Pero puede estar al principio también. Pay attention to these words. Orange, octopus. In these words, the sound O is at the beginning of the word. Okay, now in the platform you will find new activities and videos and songs to practice all the new sounds we learned today. I hope you are very well in your home y quiero decirles que vienen trabajando muy pero muy bien. Felicitaciones a todos. Have a great weekend and see you on Monday. Bye bye.